Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're really digging into AI and website creation. It's everywhere now. We've gathered some great articles looking at what these AI tools can actually do, but also, importantly, where they kind of stumble. Our mission to help you figure out, when an AI builder is the right call and when you really need that human touch for your website. Okay, let's get into it.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing how fast AI can spin up a basic site now. The sources we looked at, they highlight how you feed it some info, your industry maybe, and bam, layouts, even some starter text. Think product descriptions, maybe draft blog posts. You can get something online really, really quickly.
Super fast and cheaper. Right, that's a big draw. Potentially saving a lot compared to hiring someone straight out of the gate. They handle the basics: contact forms, simple galleries, even some initial SEO bits, meta descriptions, alt text. It almost sounds too good to be true. What's the catch?
Well, that's the key question, isn't it? Where does it fall short? And the articles definitely point out some significant limitations. While it's great for templates, getting a unique brand look, that's harder. It's like showing up to a party and everyone's wearing the same thing. AI designs can feel a bit generic.
Formulaic, yeah, that's the word. And the content it generates.
Yeah.
It's fast, sure, but it's based on existing data, which might have inaccuracies or biases. So you really need to check that it sounds like you and is, correct.
And here's where it gets tricky. The sources say if you need complex stuff, features beyond the basics, the AI kind of hits a wall.
Exactly. For those, let's call them bespoke user experiences, things really tailored to your specific audience. Human insight is still key there. AI uses general UX principles, sure, but a good designer sees the nuances AI misses, how your customers actually behave, and real SEO strategy. Beyond the basics, that deep keyword research, analyzing competitors, that's still a human job. Plus, if something breaks on an AI site, troubleshooting complex issues, good luck without a tech expert. Okay, so it sounds like AI definitely has its place. The article suggests it's really good for maybe a simple first website, just getting your name out there. Or maybe focused landing pages for a campaign, projects with tight deadlines, maybe simple internal tools.
Precisely. For those cases, the speed and cost are, fantastic advantages. But if you're aiming for a really distinct brand, a super engaging user experience, complex functions, or a site built for long-term growth, that's where you need human creativity, strategy, that deeper expertise.
But it's not always all or nothing, is it? I think the sources mentioned a kind of middle ground, a hybrid approach.
Yes, exactly. The hybrid model seems really promising. You use AI for the initial setup, the basic structure, maybe even first draft content. Then you bring in people to refine the text, check brand alignment, really dial in the user experience, add custom bits. It often gives the best balance, leveraging AI's speed, but getting that essential human polish and strategy.
Right. And the cost sits somewhere in the middle, too, I guess. The articles map it out. AI can be almost free up to maybe $500.
Yeah, for the basics.
Then this hybrid approach, maybe $2K to $5K.
Roughly, depending on complexity.
And then fully human designed custom sites starting at $5 and going way up.
Way up, yeah, for complex builds.
So what's the bottom line for you listening?
I think the key takeaway is know what you need. What's the goal for your website? AI is brilliant for getting started quickly and affordably, a great foundation. But for real impact, unique branding, complex needs, strategic growth, human skills are still vital. Often, that hybrid path makes the most sense. Use AI strengths, then bring in human expertise where it counts most.
Really useful breakdown. Okay, so here's a final thought to chew on. Given how fast AI is improving, how do you think the jobs of web designers and developers will change? Where does the human role fit as AI gets even smarter in web creation? Something to think about.